Okay, so here I am. You'll miss the first part of my makeup demonstration. I was putting on, it's a new challenge. It's called Concealer Challenge. And what you do is you put concealer on. Here's my concealer. Came in my Ipsy bag. It's even branded Ipsy. I don't know why it's backwards. Hopefully it's not. Anyways, I put this on without looking in the camera or in a mirror. And look what a great job I did. Now I'm going to do squiggly eyebrows. Okay, you ready? I've never done this before. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Let's see. I gotta go up and then down. Up and down. This is probably gonna turn out like crap because I've never done it before. But it's gonna be so cute when I'm done with my squiggly eyes. Ooh, ooh. It's looking really good. And the challenge is you have to go out in public like this. So, can you do the other one? I bet you could do it way better. I'm gonna get an assistant to help me with my other one because this one, let's just face it, it sucks. This is terrible. It's probably the worst squiggly eyebrow you've ever seen in your life. Might even be the only one you've ever seen. Okay, ready?
Who are you talking to?
The camera. What's your name again? Okay, do you want me to come over there? Okay. So exciting. Do you need a picture?
No.
This is so much fun. How's he doing? Making me squiggly eyed. I woke up with a heart on my face and a teardrop on my eye. Is this your first squiggly eyebrow you've ever done? Maybe you could tattoo it on me. I'm totally gonna post this. Oh, that is so cute. Look. I've not even had any drinks. Okay. Let's see. We're going to do a little blending. Whoa, this is crazy. Okay. Alright. This is wild. Okay, so I have one cute squiggly eyebrow and one not so cute. Doesn't matter. I'm still cute. I'm beautiful on the inside. It doesn't matter how ugly your eyebrows are. You're still cute on the inside. How do you see your inside? How do you know someone's cute on the inside? I don't know. Okay, so thank you very much for joining this fun event. And okay, well, word to the mother, word to the soul sister. What's the word do? I don't know. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have a squiggly eyebrow right now. Oh, I missed a part. Crap, if we're gonna go out, I really need to get dolled up here because people are gonna be judging my every imperfection. I need to make sure everything is smooth, every eyelash is in place. Okay. Bye. I'll send you a video as the night progresses. Bye-bye.